Well, just waiting on my GH6 to get here. It's coming FedEx, so maybe it won't have a hole in the box. Always a possibility. Let's see, I've owned a GH2, a 4, a 5, a 5S, a G... Wow. My FedEx guy is here. Yay.
What you doing?
Hey, and it don't have a hole in the box, so I take back that earlier comment.
Never have holes in your box. Never have a destroyed box. All boxes come fresh and perfectly squared. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You have a good one.
You too, man. I'm gonna shoot on this Canon. This is the R5 till my Panasonic GH6 gets here, because man, I'm really looking forward to that. Really looking forward to it. See how the autofocus does on it. I mean, I know I ain't got to worry about this Canon. That's just, you know, it just locks on and hang on for the ride, baby. Well, psych! This is the GH6. So guess what? It can do it, brother.